to have a regular cycle to help you figure out your fertility window? Well, if you're struggling and not having a regular cycle, I have a simple tip I learned running the free clinic abroad. You can take just a little bit of aloe vera, take the juice and put just a teaspoon into your soups, salads, or smoothies. And I want you to consider doing this daily till you get 3 regular cycles. Now, why is aloe vera so helpful? Number 1, it can help improve the hormone imbalance in your body. Number 2, it can help you with metabolism. Number 3, it can help you with your gut health. So if your hormones are better balanced and your metabolism is higher and your gut is feeling better, then you have more available resources to help you have a regular cycle. And another thing you can do is this really great acupressure point. What I want you to do is go from where the hair meets the forehead, that line. I want you to go straight through the third eye, the nose, upper lip, and then go down to the chin. And I want you to gently do this with me for the next minute. And why is this acupressure point so great to help regulate a cycle? Well, it actually has 3 mirror images of the uterus. So as we are acupressing this area, we are bringing blood flow to the uterine lining so that it can shed and create a period. So this acupressure point can be so powerful. And I want you to do this acupressure point for a couple minutes, couple times a day until you get 3 regular cycles. Now on our YouTube channel, we actually have a 30-day course on how to regulate your cycle. So check it out and you can do any of the tips, any of the acupressure points, any combination, but I want you to be consistent with it. Pick one acupressure point, do it couple minutes, couple times a day until you get 3 regular cycles. And of course, by all means, I want you to work with your doctor, and this can be a great adjunct to any recommendations that he or she may give you. Stay consistent with it because consistency gives you consistent results. And I wish you all the best in helping you from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.